Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can combine the data from the different tables but with the context. On screen, you can see there are three tables called sales, expenses and assets. Okay, so we want to combine that. So what is the simple way? We will just select one table. We'll, we'll go to home tab, and under home tab, you can see option append queries. So we'll click on that and we'll click on append queries as new. So here we will select the option three or more tables. So we'll append all the tables. So sales is already selected. So we'll select expenses. Then we'll select assets and we'll click on OK. So you can see the data is combined now, but we are not able to understand that which row belongs to which table. Okay. So here you will see the table.combine function is used. Okay. So instead of table.combine, we will use table.fromPartition. So what table.fromPartition function will do? It will combine the data from different name partitions, that is tables. Okay. So here we will use from partition. We'll remove the combine from partitions. We'll select. So once we will put open bracket, we will know the syntax. So first we have to give the partition columns. So first we have to give partition column as text. So we will give the name to the table origin. After that, we have to give partitions as list. So we have to give list here. We will put the table in a different line here. First is sales table, second is expenses table, and third is asset table. So what we will do, we will give list here. So we'll put the curly bracket before sales. So we have to give list here. So what we will give in a list. So first would be the name of the partition. So first partition name would be my sales. Okay. And second one, the name of the table. Okay. So where it holds the data. Okay. So first we will give the name of the partition, and the second the table which holds the data, and we will complete the curly bracket here. So our first list is my sales. So we will go to the expenses. We will give the second partition name as my expenses, and our table is expenses. So this is our second list. And third list, we will give the partition name my assets, and the table is assets. So we have given three lists. One is my sales, my expenses, and my assets. So this is done now. So before my asset, we should put curly bracket. Then in the last, we will put one more curly bracket. Then we'll hit enter. Okay. So, so now we are able to understand that which row belongs to which table. This is how you can use table.fromPartition. So table.fromPartition will combine all the name partition into one table. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.